Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are looking at multiple choice questions and we have done several episodes on research methodology and now we are solving MCQs on research methodology. So today's question is on secondary sources of literature review. So as you are aware that there are different sources of literature review, the classification is there like primary, secondary, tertiary, etc. So you can see there's one of the earlier episodes is entirely on these sources. So if you're not aware of it, please see that episode first and then come back to this question. So it talks about primary sources and it also talks about secondary sources and tertiary sources. So in this question, you've been asked about secondary sources of literature and the question is, secondary sources in a literature review typically include A. Original data sets collected by researchers, B. Review articles, meta-analysis and systematic reviews, C. Conference proceedings presenting new experiments, and D. Archival letters and diaries. So now, if you are aware of what secondary sources are, you can directly pause the video and choose your answer. If you are not aware, you can see this particular episode, Sources Literature. It's the 13th episode in the research methodology series, which talks about its classification as primary, secondary and tertiary. So when you have a look at it, I'm sure you will be able to identify the answer. So you can mark it and then you can resume the video and check your answer. So the correct answer is of course option B, review articles. Because in primary sources, person who has done the work is himself reporting it. So it's a research communication, or it could be a conference proceeding where you've done some new experiment and you are presenting it. But there is review article which basically reports what other groups have done in this particular field. So review articles is the correct answer. Thank you.